Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Make English Easy, the podcast where you learn real English for real life.
Here, you don't just study English, you experience English through conversations you can actually use.
Today's topic is something simple but very powerful for speaking fluency.
Small talk.
Yes, those short, friendly conversations we have every day with people we don't know very well.
At work, at school, at a party, at a cafe, or even online.
Many English learners feel nervous about small talk.
Because they don't know how to start or how to continue the conversation.
But don't worry, today we'll guide you step by step. Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thanks. These workshops are always so full.
Yeah, I know. I almost didn't get a place.
Really? I booked mine last week. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too. Have you done a photography workshop before?
No, this is my first one. I just bought a camera a month ago.
Oh, that's exciting. What made you get into photography?
I started traveling more this year, and I wanted better photos than just phone pictures.
That makes sense. Travel photos are the best memories.
Exactly. What about you? Are you into photography?
A little. I'm still a beginner, but I love taking pictures of nature.
Nice. Do you usually go somewhere special to take photos?
Yeah, I often go hiking on weekends. There's a beautiful forest near my town.
That sounds amazing. I should explore more places like that.
You should. It's very relaxing. So, where are you from, Alex?
I'm from Poland, but I live here now. What about you?
I'm from Italy, but I moved here 2 years ago for work.
Oh, nice. How do you like living here?
I like it a lot. It's quieter than my hometown, but the quality of life is great.
Yeah, I agree. And the food scene here is getting better too.
True. Have you found any good restaurants?
There's a small Italian place near the city center that's really good.
Oh, really? I'll have to try it and see if it's truly Italian.
Deal. You can be the judge.
So, besides photography, what do you enjoy doing on the weekends?
Well, I'm a big movie fan. I love watching old black and white films on a lazy Sunday.
Oh, a classic film lover. Any favorites?
Definitely. Casablanca is my all-time favorite. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
I'm really into gardening. I spend most of my Saturdays taking care of my plants. It's very therapeutic.
That sounds lovely. I should try gardening sometime. It seems like a great way to relax.
Great. Now let's look at some key small talk moments from this conversation.
Okay, first, Emma started with a very common phrase.
Hi, is this seat taken?
This is a perfect, polite way to start talking to someone in public.
Then we introduced ourselves. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you. Simple, friendly, and natural.
Next, we asked about experience. Have you done a photography workshop before?
Questions like this help you continue the conversation easily.
Then we asked about interests. What made you get into photography?
And are you into photography?
These questions show interest and make the conversation more personal.
Later, we used classic small talk questions. Where are you from?
And how do you like living here?
These are global small talk questions. You can use them anywhere in the world.
And we also saw how to keep the conversation going by asking about hobbies and interests, using phrases like, what do you enjoy doing on the weekends? Or do you have any hobbies? Are great ways to learn more about someone. Now it's time to practice speaking. Repeat after us.
Is this seat taken?
Nice to meet you.
Have you done this before?
What made you get into it?
Where are you from?
How do you like living here?
That sounds amazing.
I should try that sometime. What do you enjoy doing on the weekends? Great job. Now let's listen to another common scenario. Small talk at the office.
Hey, are you new here? I haven't seen you around before.
Yeah, I just started on Monday. I'm Sarah with the marketing team.
Welcome, Sarah. I'm Ben from the design department. It's great to have you with us.
Thanks, Ben. How long have you been working here?
About 3 years now. It's a great place to work. The people are friendly and the projects are interesting.
Now imagine you are at a cooking class. Listen to this short example.
Hi, have you taken a class here before?
No, it's my first time. I'm a bit nervous.
Me too. What made you sign up?
I love Italian food, and I want to learn how to cook pasta properly.
That's a great reason.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking English. Answer these questions out loud.
Where are you from? What do you do? Work or study? What do you like doing in your free time? Have you started any new hobbies recently?
Pause the podcast and answer in full sentences.
Small talk is not about perfect English.
It's about being friendly, curious, and open to conversation.
Use simple questions. Listen carefully. React naturally.
And remember, confidence comes from practice.
If this episode helped you,
Subscribe to Make English Easy and practice real English with us every week.
see you in the next conversation.
Bye.